Welcome to our comparison of two portable washing machines. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, capacities, and which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment or looking for a travel-friendly option, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER washer offers a substantial 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads, while the portable small washing machine has a capacity of 13 Ls, which is ideal for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. If you need to wash larger items, the BLACK+DECKER is the better choice, but for travel or small spaces, the portable small washer excels. The BLACK+DECKER washer comes with 5 wash cycles, including heavy and gentle options, along with a durable stainless steel tub. In contrast, the portable small washing machine features a foldable design and a built-in spin dryer, making it extremely portable and convenient for travel. While the BLACK+DECKER offers more versatility in wash options, the SurvToes design is tailored for those on the go. In terms of size, the BLACK+DECKER washer measures 17.3 x 17.7 x 31.1 inches and weighs 44.1 pounds, making it less portable. On the other hand, the portable small washing machine is significantly smaller at 11 by 11 by 5 inches when open and weighs only 2.62 pounds, making it perfect for travel and small living spaces. If portability is your priority, the SurvToes is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER is ideal for larger loads and offers more features, while the Portable Small Washer is perfect for those needing a compact solution for small items. Which one do you think is best for your needs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.